फुल बिजी बोलते हैं। कैसे कमाऊंगा मैं पैसे जब इतना बिजी हूँ मैं?
क्या
Hello?
बोलो?
Can you
हाँ
send
हाँ।
me your ping once more? I'm near to it, but I cannot see you.
Okay, where are you? Ping
I'm
me,
at
I'll
the
pick you up.
highway. I'm in the bus
Okay.
actually. Come.
Bus? What are you doing
Yeah,
with
I
your
don't
bus?
have a car, no, so I'm coming by public transport.
Transport. I wanted to have a secret meeting, not with in front of
Ha
some bus
No,
driver.
no. There's nobody. I'm coming alone in the bus. I mean, there's only a
I'm
driver.
driving the bus.
No, why would I drive a bus? Bus driver gonna drive the bus. Should I
ये तो
ping
बोला
you?
ना मुझे secret meeting चाहिए था.
हाँ,
हाँ,
should I
ping
ping
me
you?
at
हाँ,
125.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Okay.
ये इतना बिजी रियल में नहीं है। फुल सीक्रेट है। मीटिंग विद 20 others. This happened when you play once in a month.
Aw, thank you so much.
Bus driver?
नहीं नहीं, look at the bus driver. वो इतना अच्छा था, उसने इतनी देर वेट किया, पता है? अब he'll go.
Bus driver
Look,
फिर बस
look.
यहाँ पे छोड़ के चली गई.
नहीं, look ना, look, the bus driver is going with the bus.
What the fuck?
What do you mean? I came here with the bus. अब वो क्या?
Driver.
अरे, he was my friend.
Bus driver.
क्या टाइमिंग है भाई?
Did you like my outfit?
At all. You look like half some kung fu guy and half some I don't know what.
No, wait. एक बार साइड में लगाओ. तुमने ध्यान से देखा नहीं?
लगाती हूँ जगह एक जगह पे जाके फिर लगाती हूँ साइड पे रुक जाओ पहले मुझे देखने दो कहाँ जाना है.
Thank you for the 40 Bharat. Thank you so much. And thank you for the member मेरे
बता
पास.
रही हूँ क्या? हाँ मैं कितना पागल
Today's
हूँ.
stream is all about
नहीं यहाँ
timing.
पे घंटों लेते हैं. Come like why do you even go there? I pinged you on some hills. Bro, I think this is good.
अरे मेरे को मारेगी क्या? भरत कुमार, thank you for the response.
Aw, thank you so much.
This is a good place. How much? Supreme. Supreme.
How do I look?
घटिया.
What do you mean, घटिया?
Max. Yeah. I mean the like top is doing fine. The hoodie is doing fine, but the pants these are not like this is not so the pants. No, the pants is also fine.
बस अब इतनी तारीफ नहीं
नहीं
इतनी तारीफ मत करो प्लीज
कर भी दे रही
मैं शर्मा जाऊंगा
मैं
please.
तारीफ कर भी दे रही हूँ.
मेरे को पता था तुम्हें पसंद आएगा.
Thank you for the
बहुत गलत फहमी में हो बहुत गलत फहमी उससे निकलो गलत
thank
फहमी
you for
से
the
निकलो, बाहर आओ.
responsor
नींद से
सूरज.
उठ आओ. नींद उठ गई.
Aw,
नहीं मुझे पता था तुम्हें पसंद आएगा.
ठीक है समझ गए. Okay, it's a very serious thing. Okay. No fun, all right?
Yes.
Serious. Be in very serious mode, all right? So, phone call. वो बंद करो पहले बात.
क्या फोन कॉल?
कॉल आ रहा है वो काट कर वो बताने.
किसका फोन आ रहा है?
आपका
अरे
है,
तुम
भाभी
ड्यूटी से इतना थक चुके हो तुम्हें फोन कॉल सुनाई दे रहा है. किसी का फोन कॉल नहीं आ रहा. बोलो.
वाह अच्छी बात.
Thank you,
So
Bharat,
it's
for
a
the
very
100.
serious thing. That is. Oh, I got promoted, by the way.
Oh wow! So this was. तुम मुझे यहाँ पे अकेले बुला के ये सब अरे congratulations! I knew it. Someday your all hard work will shine and you'll shine like a diamond. Congratulations.
इसके लिए नहीं बुलाया था, by the way. और भी कुछ काम है.
अच्छा.
Very serious. You're not fine? Oh, wait. Do you need bandage? I don't have bandage.
No, I'm fine.
वो हो रहे तुम्हारा. You're like limping a bit.
No, I'm fine.
थोड़ा सा. Okay. Let's talk about it. So, Atis, you have to, not have to, it's a choice. I'm gonna tell you about some stories, and it's up to you that you wanna do it or not. It's a very serious thing. So, that saying you have to. It's like it's your choice.
Breakup हो रहा है क्या?
From past days, not only me, PD have been attacked with heavy guns, weapons, and all. So I am investigating about it, like from where these guns are coming from, and in that I will be needing your help. So the main thing is I wanna reach to the root of it, the dealer who's supplying it.
Oh, you
from the thing
want
is
to know
coming.
the dealer's name or the address, or you want to
Everything.
everything? So you
You
know
cannot take it out. I know you cannot do it all alone. So you will have what? You can do it. You think so?
Obviously, you want name. What if I give you name right here?
You have in your mind. Which one?
The name of the guy who's supplying guns in this town.
Who?
I'll give you the name right here. What will I get?
आ रहे ना पॉइंट पे आ रहे.
हाँ.
Okay.
So
धीरे-धीरे
okay,
आते.
you have to say to me that you're looking handsome. Okay?
तब तुम दोगे मुझे दाव. पक्का.
Yes. Okay, wait.
You looking
Do it.
handsome. You're gonna be giving me the name.
Yes, do it. You have to say it nicely.
मार लेगा. You are looking very handsome. Just give me the name now.
No, say it nicely.
I said it enough nicely. Where I have been calling you chapri all along all the time.
Yes,
I am
this-
calling you handsome. Be happy with that. Then give me
Yes,
the
you
name
have to
right
say
now.
it nicely, no, with some.
Say it nicely.
Yes, do it. Thank you.
Are you looking handsome?
Wow. First,
Eh.
his name is. Wait, I have his number.
भी मत बोलना.
No. Why would I? Have I ever lied to you?
I doubt. तुम थोड़ी देर पहले you lied to me. You said you're in hospital. I was in
Yeah,
hospital
I
and you're
was-
not there.
I was in a hospital. Then I went with Bunny.
Hospital. Even hospital.
Arey, that
Don't lie to me.
Sashi guy died. No, I went to the funeral.
What?
Yeah, Sashi died.
I heard a while ago in a meeting. Yes, yeah, he died. Okay.
So I went there. That's why I was not able to pick your calls. Wait,
Right.
where is number? So his name
The
is,
number
okay.
and the name
Tope
won't be
Singh.
working much.
Tope
Tope
Singh.
Singh?
Yes. I'm not lying. You can check
The
my
name
phone.
will not be. The name will not be enough. Mardega, we need more.
You
I
need
cannot
more
just.
stuff.
Yeah. So the thing is, what you have to do is, you have to buy some guns. I'll give you money to buy guns.
Do not worry about money. It's your work. Your work is equal to my work. My money is your money. Your money is my money. I'll take care.
Okay.
So, what do you want actually? You want his photo. You want his identity. You
And
want his
everything.
location. Oh, everything.
Thing.
So it's kind of
firstly-
an undercover activity.
Yes. So
I'm a-
firstly, आपको ये
From
करना
a
पड़ेगा.
casino manager straight to a undercover agent.
When I'm casino manager, yet you just got the job. You just told me you're not even a casino manager. Calm
They're
yourself.
hiring
You're not a
me.
casino manager.
They're hiring me. You don't believe me?
They're hiring you, so what? They won't be knowing that you are involved. किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा कि तुम इन्वॉल्व हो. That's the thing.
So I
I
have
have
to
the
buy
plan.
some guns then.
But not like that. Let me tell you the whole plan. All together. Firstly, all you have to do is you have a lot of friends, right?
Yes, yes I
Call,
have.
take call. आपके अभी कॉल आ रहे हैं.
कहाँ कॉल आ रहा है?
कॉल
अरे आप
अभी.
थके हुए हो इतना फोन, आप थके हुए हो ना तो इसलिए आपके कान बज रहे हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है सुनो. आपकी काम ये होगा कि आपके जो दोस्त है सारे सबसे आप देखो आप किसके पास टेक 9 और हेवी पिस्टल ये सारी चीज़ें खरीद सकते हो. ओके, टेक द कॉन्टैक्ट्स फर्स्ट. यू डोंट हैव टू गो देयर अलोन टू डू एनीथिंग. आप सिर्फ अभी के लिए जस्ट टेक द कॉन्टैक्ट्स कि किसके पास क्या क्या मिलता है. हेवी, टेक 9, AK, बिग गन, स्मॉल गन्स, एवरीथिंग. वो सारी चीज़ें पहले आप निकालो.
Big guns.
आफ्टर
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
right weapon, big guns, small
Yes,
weapons.
yes, I understand.
I meant that. So पहले वो निकालो कि किसके पास से क्या क्या मिलेगा. It have to be strictly between you and me.
Yes, you have my word. It's not gonna go out anywhere.
Like this is gun mafia and it's very dangerous. It like that I am gonna investigate. They can kill me anytime. So
It's not. Nothing's gonna happen to you. So first of all, you want me to get information in the city. How many people have guns? And
how many
from
people?
there
You have to get the yes like that. आपके दोस्तों के पास देखोगे ना आपकी हेवी है या फिर टेक 9 है कुछ भी है. Ask them like, oh, from where you got that? I want that too. I wanna buy it too. And tell them जिनसे आप खरीदोगे आप बोलो हाँ I'll buy this in bulk. आपको बहुत चाहिए ऐसे बोलो. एक दो guns नहीं आप you don't have to buy. You'll say that you want in bulk. Alright?
I ain't no snitch. Guys, do
You
not
want in
snitch,
bulk.
okay?
They will be telling you कि कहाँ से मिलेगा ये वो. They'll be giving you price.
So the thing is, for this I need proper security of me and my friends.
I can give you security, not your friends.
For the
don't-
big deal, you're saying I will not be going
The
alone,
big
right?
deal. I will be going with you in the big deal. अभी भी deal तक हमने आई नहीं plan.
उनको पता
तो
होगा
पूरा
ना
plan
यार
सुनो.
ऑफिसर. हाँ, then.
ही, वो नहीं होगा वही तो पूरा प्लान सुनो.
हाँ.
आप पहले ये निकालो कि किसके पास है कितना प्राइस में बिक रहा है. जब वो बोलेंगे कि इस प्राइस में बिक रहा है ट्राई टू टेल देम दैट आपको इससे सस्ते में चाहिए. इससे सस्ते में कहाँ से मिलेगा. ओके, try to tell that you want to set up a big business. It's not a small one. Get your friends and tell your friends that you want to set up a big business. Don't tell your friend that I want to have my hand on these guns. Tell them that you want to make a business. You want to supply these stuffs. You have a big country to supply this and that. Blah 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 shit. Like tell them as much shit as you can to get to the main guy. I just want to get the main guy. All right. So after you get all the names, me and another officer will be there. So we two will be acting like another lady officer is with me. So we two will be acting as if we will be coming from this country and we are the mafia from that country. We need gun and we are getting it from you. So when we'll be going for the deal, we will be going with three. Plus, I'll get security guys.
So I have a plan for this. It's gonna take a while. It's not gonna happen in 1-2 days. Firstly, I have to convince my friends that I need weaponry. Okay, different.
Good time.
Once I get the main guy's name, everything, then I'll try to buy little weapons often. Then I'll go and tell him this. It's gonna take 2-3 days.
With that and
Meanwhile, gun dealer
after
watching
that,
the stream.
if we can catch them, I'll give you 1 lakh.
Money
want
is
more,
not a
I'll-
problem. Money is never a problem. But if you are insisting, it's okay. I mean, my father used to tell me never work for free if you have a talent. So I'm happy if you even give me 150, 150, whatever, 50, 20, 10, anything for you.
Just say it थोड़ी देर पहले ना that you can do everything for me. For you, you remember?
Done. I'll do it.
Let's put it on test.
ठीक
Sure.
है, done.
Don't back
So
off or
from
you won't
no,
betray me,
why
right?
would I back off? Oh. कह दिया
To be
बस।
honest, you know, right? If anything, like my father used to, like he was a cop. He was investigating the gun mafia, and he was killed by this gun mafia thing. I don't know what's gonna happen to me. I know my life is
Nothing's
at
gonna
risk.
happen to you.
So,
You have your cops friends also na behind you when you go to the big deal. You have
yeah,
to.
I know.
I believe in your department. I think they're not gonna let anything happen to you and your one more female colleague.
I don't know. Let's see. And if we can do this, you will always gain the trust of PD. You
By
know,
the way,
right?
you
What
know
this means.
this gonna
Yeah.
happen. Don't worry. I'll start it from today. Do not worry. It's gonna happen. Like sometime, maybe next week or so, you'll get the main guy, and you just be ready with your department. By the way, you know what your officers did to me and Raftar? Okay, I've never lied to you. Okay, this time also I'm not lying. No, last to last Friday, there were choo-choos के फ्रेंड आने थे घर पे, ठीक है? तो we went to
think after I get my new ID card and all,
okay.
उतनी देर तक let's see आप कितना निकाल सकते
So
हो.
summary is now I have to ask my friend about guns and Veere the main guy and the big deal. And how
You
many
cannot
guns
get the
actually
main
you
gun.
need for the big?
Just
How
tell
much should
them
I?
that you need like 200, 300, something like that, alright? Like gun like that, okay? Go to the main one, but जब खुचरे में like सस्ते में जब I mean not, what is that thing, like if you're buying one or two, तो तब
Look,
वो एक
I
order
know the
करेगा.
rates. So the AK costs around 50K. The
Okay.
other AR costs around 40K. So I have to buy. I think I have to buy one AK and one AR. Then I have to buy one Tech 9 or something pistol.
For total, how much you need for one AK and
First, I have to ask the dealer no which guns he have.
आप पहले बात कर लो and take that AK and that other thing as a sample from them, alright?
ठीक है, done.
Take time, don't
No,
rush
it's
मत
gonna
करना.
be slow. It's gonna be slow.
धीरे लेना, but information जो दे रहे हो ना पक्के लेना. Try to record everything in your phone when they're talking, when they're saying,
Done.
or some pictures maybe, anything. Just try to get proof, because if we cannot catch them, at least we'll be needing proof for court. So try to get proofs as many as you can.
Yes. एक सेकंड कॉल
Your
कर लो,
work
तब
won't
से
be
call कर
going.
लो। हेलो।
Tell people that you are not anyhow involved with me.
No, nobody's gonna know. This meeting never ever happened.
Not this only. Just tell them that like we don't even share the same kid. Naomi, क्या बोलते हैं वो जिनकी आपसे आपकी बच्ची
Okay,
नहीं
thank you for
है. And
the
आप थक गए हो ये सारी चीजों से, and you like you don't
ठीक
wanna be a
है,
part
from
of
now
that.
on, you and me break up. I mean for everyone, not for us.